Do you know what's common between Naina from Ye Jawani Hai Diwani, Man of Steel from Superman and Harry Potter? If you said glasses, then you're correct. But what if I tell you there's another thing that's common between them and you? Yup, our struggles while wearing daily eyeglasses. I mean, Harry Potter को भी अपने glasses fix करने के लिए एक special spell की जरूरत पड़ती थी, और हम कहाँ आम muggles हैं. But today I have some hacks that can't magically take away all of your problems, but definitely help making wearing eyeglasses every day easier for you. Hack number 7. This is one of the biggest issues that people who wear specs face the most. Glasses that easily slide down their nose. अगर आपको भी ये बहुत annoying लगता है, then we have a very simple but helpful hack for you. If you have a plastic frame, heat up the ends by running a hairdryer over the area you want to adjust for about 30 seconds. The plastic will soften, allowing you to mold it for a snug fit. अगर आपके glasses बहुत loose हैं, then उसको नीचे की तरफ bend करिए. And just in case आपके glasses कुछ ज़्यादा ही tight लग रहे हैं, then bend it upward. If you're a fan of wire frames, you're in luck. You don't need a hairdryer. Use your thumbs to gently push the nose pads closer together for that comfortable fit. Another hack. Slide tiny rubber bands onto the arms of your glasses. They create a gentle grip that keeps your eyeglasses in place, no matter how active you are. Hack number 6. If you're new to the 4-eyed life, you might see that the skin behind your ears turns a little red or sore after wearing your glasses for a long time. You can avoid this by applying a little bit of baby powder behind your ears. इससे आपकी skin लाल भी नहीं होगी and will also help you smell fresh and awesome. Truly a win-win situation. Hack number 5. The next hack is not really a glasses but a life hack for people who wear specs. Taking off your glasses for a shower can leave you squinting to read labels. कभी-कभी तो कंडीशनर को शैम्पू की तरह यूज कर देते हैं. To avoid this, just wrap a rubber band around your shampoo bottle in the shower to spot it easily. No more squinting at those blurry labels trying to figure out which is the conditioner and which is the shampoo. Hack number 4. We've all been there, done this. When you can't seem to find your glasses or you're nearsighted, use a mobile phone and zoom in to see better. Now, if you can't seem to find your phone as well, so try this. Close your fist and make a tiny hole out of it. You know how we did this as kids to squint at something? Yeah, somewhat like this. Now look through the small hole created. You'll be able to see a little clearer. This trick works as it helps to eliminate extra rays of light and focus on only one focal point. It's the same reason why जब हमारा चश्मा खो जाता है, हम often आके squint करके उसे ढूंढते हैं. Hack number 3. ऐसा बहुत बार होता है कि अपने glasses को fix करने की कोशिश में गलती से उसका एक side टूट जाता है. If you're in a similar situation where an arm or the temple of your glass breaks off and you lose the screw keeping it together, here's what you can do. Use a toothpick and insert it where the screw was. After it has tightened properly, break off the extra toothpick. Although this is not foolproof, it's a good hack to keep your glasses in somewhat working condition before you can actually get them replaced professionally. Well, you can get them replaced at a nearest Lenskart store with our new Blue Billion collection, which is not only stylish but affordable, comfortable and lightweighted as well. Visit your nearest Lenskart store right after watching this video to select your new glasses from the diverse range of collections. Hack number 2. Is your laptop or your mobile phone your best friend? Do your eyes get too watery and red after using a screen for too long? Go for glasses with blue lens protection. The blue lens glasses are specially curated to block our screen's negative and harmful rays while giving you the comfort of wearing long glasses. Lenskart has a collection of blue glasses curated specially for gamers, Netflix binge watchers and corporate junkies. I mean the ones who spend most of their time working on screen. Time for today's last hack. Hack number 1. This hack is specially for those who love wearing makeup. If your glasses keep sliding down your nose and spoils your entire look, then we have a very simple hack for you. Before applying foundation on your nose bridge, apply a little bit of eyeshadow primer. It creates a smooth, slightly sticky base that not only helps your eyeshadow to stay put, but also gives your glasses a little extra grip. So this was it for today. Hope these hacks make your life way easier and make you feel like the superhero that you are with the double eye power. Did you get the joke? Funny, right? No. Fine, I'll escort myself out. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up, and to know more about our eyeglasses collection, check out our website. Until next time, bye bye.